Here, in this pandemic COVID-19 outbreak, we are learning digital education. Everything is marking its presence on digital platform. The learning is at your platter, at your doorstep. So it's all time to recall the learning phase of geography, chapter, life in grasslands. And today we will going to discuss the Velds, the area which is marking its identity in southern South Africa. Southern Africa. Velds, one location which is grassland, has the identity of grasses, marks its presence. With the phases to be discussed, we will reveal out what is the climatic condition, geographical surroundings, physiography of the area one by one. So hereby sharing what we will going to discuss with the effects of Velds grasslands. Location, Southern Africa. Climate, then natural vegetation, which is consist of wildlife and flora and fauna. Occupation, what the people do over there, what kind of industry is present, because Velds marks its identity as an industry and it has a great infrastructure which support industry. So the transportation is the key of the growth over this region. So we are going to mark it one by one. So let's first discuss steppes, prairies, pampas, Velds, temperate grassland of the world. So one of them we will going to discuss today, that is Velds, lying in front of you with the map presence. All four are at your platter, at your doorstep, in front of your eyes. So check it out, the locations of temperate grassland in the world. And hereby we will going to share the map of South Africa for explaining you what is the exact location of Veld and what it marks you out. It marks you the Kimberley diamond mine, then Johannesburg gold mine, Drakensberg's mountain physiography. It has the city of administration, Pretoria, Velds. Everything identity marks here is said to be the industrial based area, an area which is having the mining as its occupation. So we will going to reveal it one by one. The location is in South Africa. Velds are rolling plateau with the variation of height from 600 meter to 1100 meters. It has temperate grasslands of South Africa. It marks the bounded by Drakensberg's mountains. It has the identity of ranging to various phases, and it marks it out with the picture that I am revealing it, what kind of the environment surrounding is there. High Velds are located at a height and marks the phases of the presence picture in front of you. So this is the actual scenario which is going on in Velds. People, their occupation is ship rearing. एक ऐसा एरिया जहाँ शिप रेयरिंग वूल इंडस्ट्री आइडेंटिटी है, बिकॉज द वर्ल्ड्स वन ऑफ द प्रेशियस स्पीशीज ऑफ मैरिनो फाइंड हियर. कैटल रेयरिंग एंड माइनिंग आर द टू मेजर एक्टिविटीज. इट इज़ द की प्रोमिनेंट एरिया जो लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड करता है. डेयरी फार्मिंग इज द नेक्स्ट वन. द मेन इज शिप रेयरिंग and industry and mining, because the infrastructure supports it. So I'm revealing the first one is wool, which will be production of wool. Australia is the leading producer and Velds deliver the second one. So export means when you sell your country's one commodity to another nation in order to fulfill their demand. That is said to be export of the surplus generation of your commodity. So the Australia is the first one leading producer and the Velds are the second one. So one by one you will check it out what that mean. Firstly, check the picture of a merino ship. This is the ship and this is the way of the production which carries on. The people have an agriculture activity too after having the ship rearing. The mining is the prominent one. They grow the cash crops like sugarcane and cotton. They have the crop like maize, wheat, barley, which need less waters, and they are the mainly grasses. And mining is the prominent activity, and I'm sharing one of the best mines of the area in the picture. Then the diamond mine is in front of you in Kimberley. It has the identity. Now check it out exactly.
The Veld. The Veld, a temperate grassland, is found in the southern parts of Africa. Velds are rolling plateaus with varying heights ranging from 600 meters to 1,100 meters. The Veld occupies the eastern part of Cape Colony, entire Orange Free State and most part of the Transvaal. The Veldlands are in fact sandwiched between Drakensberg Mountain on the southeast and Kalahari Desert on the northwest. Scattered trees occur only on elevations and along the course of streams.
It's all time to say a recapitalization for Velds. Velds, one grassland, scattered trees with a number of grasses available. It supports agriculture, cash crops like sugarcane and cotton, wheat, barley, oats, which need less water, is available as it is grassland. It marks the identity of mining area, which has the world's gold mine and diamond mine located in this region. It marks the physiography of Drakensberg Mountains and it's located in South Africa with the identity of another phase, that is cattle rearing, sheep rearing. Sheep rearing, it is the second leading producer of the merino sheep wool. It has a second leading producer and second leading exporter. First one is Australia. With this note, we are concluding it for today. Thank you for visiting. See you again soon.